Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I said I don't really understand unboxing videos and I don't get them. For my first video on YouTube I'm doing an unboxing video. I saw the box that these lights came in and I can't help it. The packaging on this product is amazing. Stedi Type-X Pros. These spotlights are supposed to be incredible from what I've heard and what I've seen. Let's get to unboxing, shall we? So, this makes me feel like I'm opening an Apple product with that suction and that presentation. Oh wow, that's cool. So, looks like we get a little envelope. Type-X Pro. It is a user manual. Boring. This is cool. Oh look, even the whole development team sign signatures are there, which is really cool. They must be proud of these products. That pulls off. That's cool. That is cool. So as you can see, the lights there. This presentation is awesome. Oh, hang on. They're just the covers, it looks like. Covers. And those orange rings, that orange steady colour is very present. I reckon that's going to definitely replace these grey rings they've got on them from standard. They are feel pretty heavy light actually. But oh, that's cool. These lights are supposed to shine just over a kilometre. Realistically, when you're on the road, you really only need 800-900 metres. A kilometre is brilliant, it's perfect. I was looking at getting their other spotlights, which are about 800. LED spotlights, I believe these are probably the longest range on the market. Oh, even that's cool. I love the little details they put in them. I don't know if you can see that there, but there's their logo right in the centre of it. It's not behind the actual glass with all the LEDs. So they got the waterproof plugs and dustproof and what have you there. This mounting bracket looks cool. Very solid. It's very thick. I don't know if you can see how thick that is. It's very, very thick there. Love the details they put on stuff like that. That makes everything look cool. What else we got in here? Just unboxing this is awesome. Wiring harness. Now there's something I really do like with their products is that all heat shrinked, all ready to go. Plug and play wiring harness. You just plug them into your headlights, they hook up to the high beams. Fuses already in there, everything's sorted. Relays the whole lot. Very easy. Do it at home, do it yourself. Sort of wiring harness, which is absolutely awesome. Cable ties are a must when wiring, making it look nice and neat. And these are your connections, so obviously they just hook up to the headlights there. So that you can, when you flick your high beams on, the lights come on, the spotlights come on. So yeah, what else we got? These will be all the bolts. Cool. Full stainless bolts. Nothing but quality here, guys. Nothing but quality. So I get 2 sets for both, one for each side. I am just... And the price that these come at, I don't think anyone really can compete on the market, to be honest. I've seen spotlights that are out there, that LED spotlights that they're charging over $1,000 for, that just don't compare with these. And these are, I think these are around the high $600, $700 mark, which is phenomenal for the quality of light you do get. I am super impressed. So I'm gonna go now and mount these up, get them on the Zook, and do a review on these. I think I am doing a long trip down at Esperance in the next couple of weeks. So I'll be testing them out them, doing a bit of a longevity test and doing a few nasty roads there. But yeah, cheers guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. This is fairly new for me, so go easy on me, but hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's see if we can get this YouTube channel off the ground. Go from there.